Yo, we are back again with another trade breakdown. And today was a L. It was a fat L. It looked so good, but price just didn't deliver to um, my intended target, which was these lows. And I was about to hop back in, but I decided to take off my limit order, and I'll just run y'all through my trade today real quick. So what happened was I showed up at the market at about 9:28, so 2 minutes before the open, and it's just easy to tell that the market looks more bearish. So you already know the process. When I'm bearish, I'm looking for a fair value gap, a bearish fair value gap, or a swing high to be taken. And we had both because I look at ES and NQ like it's one pair. Like they go together. I don't trade one without the other. You can, but it just helps clear up uh, some things like if ES already took a high and NQ doesn't have to take a high, it can just go ahead and go lower or go higher. So that's how I use them. And on this day today, the 20th of January, we had NQ coming back up to touch this 1 hour fair value gap. And I was expecting price to come up, touch it, and then go lower and go to these lows. That's my target. And on ES, we came up and swept the high. And we also touched the fair value gap, the bearish fair value gap. So that looked like super good. I'm like, oh shit, that's exactly what I want to see. So that happened, and I probably should have just waited because I'll typically use a 1 hour. If I'm using a 1 hour PD array, a 1 hour key level, I like to go to the 5 minute. And if I'm using a 15-minute key level, I like to go to the 1 minute. I went from a 1 hour to a 1 minute, which is okay. It still works. It's nothing to like really knock or anything. It's just it can be too early sometimes. It can cause you to enter too early, and that's the mistake I think I made today because we had everything I want to see. I know the direction. We had my key level touched, and I went to the 1 minute right away because it was looking so clean, like with these uh, lower high, higher high. I mean lower low, higher high, lower low, higher high, lower low, higher high, and then we ended up breaking or whatever. Like the market structure. It looked so clean. It's the reason why I traded it. And I ended up getting in on this right here. It was here. When we got this right here, let me go to replay so you can see it better. Start new. When we got this, because we were going up, we touched my key level, and then we created a SMT like I was just talking about. And ES took that high, and NQ didn't. So when we took that high, we ended up closing through this green candle right here, which was my change in the state of delivery, saying, hey, the order flow may be shifting and going bearish. So I entered right here on this candle, expecting it to go lower, and it was a bit early. What I should have waited for is this inverse fair value gap because I was using a 1 hour key level. I should have waited for more confirmation. And yeah, I think that was my main issue today. When this would have got disrespected, you see how this green candle is rejecting this imbalance right here, this bullish FEG, showing that, hey, we might want to continue going higher when I'm trying to sell. So I shouldn't be sell if we're still trying to go higher. I should be selling when we don't have a reason to go any higher. And the market was showing me if I would have just zoomed out and looked at more time frames, like my 5 minute and my 15 minute, that hey, we're respecting this. So, I mean, the trade could have still worked out, and that could have like just respected and then got ran through. That's just some things you will never know. But it would have just held more weight if I would have waited to the M5 IFVG to form, and then I would have did this. Put my entry right here, put my stop up here, took my first profit at 1.53, and then left my runner to like 2R or something like that. Um, But yeah, and I was about to re-enter. I was about to re-enter. Um, right here, I actually would have been tagged in, but I removed my limit order on ES because I was looking like, hey, this is still everything I want to see. Bearish on the 1 hour, sweep of this high, and we touched the 1 hour fair value gap, rejecting it, showing that, hey, we want to go lower. Looks really good. Everything I want to see. We come back, touch this inverse fair value gap, the one I was just telling you about, and well, it looks like we're going lower now, but I was gonna lower my risk and do it, and I don't care if it plays out or not. I just don't have confidence because the market has been so weird. Look how it just goes down, tricks you, goes back up, goes down, tricks you, goes back up, and it's just so choppy. Look at this. I don't want to be trading this. This doesn't look like high probability trading conditions for me. The market is just going sideways. You think, oh shit, it's a market structure break, and then it just goes back, stops you out. Another one goes back, stops you out. Like that shit's just so frustrating. So I was like, I'll just wait till tomorrow. I wanted to enter. It still was a part of me saying like, go ahead and enter, but I just can't like. I just can't allow myself to get caught in that loop of like, well, it might work out, yeah, or it might not. I'd rather just let that one loss be all I take today and then move on to the next day because it's just gonna mess with me if I lose this, and I don't need to be, you know, trading emotionally. So that's all I got for y'all today, man. Y'all take it easy. I'll see y'all hopefully at least one more time this week. I can get another trade. If not, hey, it is what it is. Y'all take it easy.